What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. My name is Josh. Okay, so if you've watched the channel for any number of months now, you know that we possess a slightly larger amount of barbecue grills and cookers than the average backyard barbecue enthusiast. In fact, before we roll the show, I kind of want to just give you a 30-second backyard tour of what we're working with back here. We're going vlog style. The Oklahoma Joe Highland Offset Smoker. When I finished my chemotherapy, this was my gift from Babe as soon as I got home from the hospital. The S&S Grills Kettle. Love this thing. Fantastic company. Dave, Jabin, everybody at S&S Grills. Fantastic. Love them. We got some just storage here on the shelf on that. I love that thing. Pit Boss Austin XL 1000 pellet grill, of course loaded with Naughty Wood pellets. Love them. Let's go around the corner here. We got the little king chair where I sit and ponder life. We got the King Chi. This is a little cheap $250 Amazon pellet grill. Again, loaded up with Naughty Wood pellets. Love this thing. It's a workhorse, really small and easy, and it's travel size. We got the Warm Bond stove. Smokeless fire pit, yet also a grill with a cast iron on it. You saw a video that we made with that. Fantastic. Of course, one of our favorite companies of all time, the Pit Barrel Cooker. This is an OG Pit Barrel Cooker. Look at how well this thing is held up. This is probably over 5 years old, 6 years old. This thing is just a workhorse, amazing. And on the heels of the Pit Barrel Cooker, the Badger Barrel. We love this thing too. 3 different modes. You can go into hibachi mode. Of course, we have the classic copper Weber kettle with the slow and sear inside. Of course, you need that. And the Pit Boss 5-burner flat top griddle. So, damn near 10 things. With all those grills that you just saw, the one thing that you didn't see is a propane gas grill. That's why we were super pumped when Monument Grills reached out to us and was like, hey guys, you don't have a gas grill. Why don't we send you one? Let's do a review on it, walk through it with your folks, and let's do some cooks on it. And I think you guys are really, really going to enjoy our gas grills. I enjoyed putting it together with my son. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be walking through. I'm going to show you all the features of the grill. We're going to do a burn off on it. And then we're going to cook an amazing chuck roast that we just grabbed from Costco. We're going to prepare it in a way that maybe you haven't seen a chuck roast prepared before. Obviously right now meat is expensive, so a chuck roast is a great option. We're gonna make one of Babe's favorite sandwiches, which is the French dip. Basic au jus sauce, provolone. It's gonna be amazing on a hoagie roll. Let's start with the walkthrough of the grill, then we'll build a French dip, we'll build a chuck roast. It's gonna be a great show. 405, upgraded viewing lid, high efficiency side burner. Those LED knobs right there, the higher you get them, they change to red or blue depending on the temperature of it. Obviously it's stainless steel. This thing is a beast. Has rollers on it, very, very awesome. Has an LED screen. This is a smart grill. So it's gonna tell you temperatures. It does Bluetooth, it has an app, it has all that. Has the stuff that you can hang your barbecue stuff on the side. And obviously the lid is also stainless steel. So you can see through the middle, but the whole thing is just really, really solid construction, and it wasn't hard at all to build. All right, as we come in a little closer under the hood, there's a button right here on the side that will turn on the LED lights. Now these are porcelain cast iron grates. I like these a lot. Then when you bring these out, they have flame tamers underneath here. Everything is just really high construction. I just feel like it's really built in really nice. This warming rack right here, check this out. If you guys can see this, you can hang chicken legs right here. You can do shrimp, veggies, whatever you want right on the top here. It just plugs into these holes. Really, really neat. I just think that the whole setup comes into a grease trap in the bottom with a disposable grease tray. So that's also really easy. Electronic ignition, I mean, they thought of all the features that you would need in just a gas smart grill. This is the smart LED display screen. Not only is it going to display the temperature inside the grill, you can use different temperature probes, and then this will Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to your phone. You can use the Monument Grills app. You can monitor temperatures. You'll know everything that's going on from the comfort of your own home. So right now, the grill's off. It's a cool 77 degrees outside. If you guys are interested in learning more about Monument Grills, I'm gonna leave a link below. Go check out their website, leave a comment for me. You can ask me any questions. There's a ton of content on social media around them. They seem to be a really good company. I'm excited to cook on it. After this video, you're gonna see numerous other videos on our channel, different cooks on it. I'm excited to finally own a gas grill. Also, before we jump into this chuck roast, I'm gonna take the time now to say thank you to our Tier 2 and our Epic Tier 3 channel members. Everybody that supports us, hitting that little join button next to the subscribe button on YouTube. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a lot to us. If you share our videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it means a lot to Babe and my little social media hobby. Shout out Monument Grills. Thank you for the grill. Now, let's jump in to a chuck roast.
We have our 3-pound chuck roast here, and we are going to season it with our Instagram friend, Kendrick Barbecue. Let me read you the ingredients. So this is the all-purpose rub, garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, onion, and a few other proprietary herbs. It's gonna be really yummy. So first, I'm gonna put some Worcestershire sauce, and then we'll put on our seasoning.
So we have not made a chuck roast in this fashion on a gas grill. Babe wants to slice it at the very end, and Babe wants to make her very, very special, most delicious French dip sandwich.
Oh yeah.
Which is pretty basic,
oh,
but it's very, very
tasty. I have a little
tasty.
secret ingredient.
Little avocado oil. Get everything all nice and lubricated. Let's get this meat on. All right, my game plan is to use these two burners right here. We're gonna sear it 2.5 minutes, 2.5 minutes, flip, 2.5 minutes, 2.5 minutes, somewhere around there. Then we're going to transfer it over to here. We're gonna turn these burners off. We're gonna use it basically like an oven because you got this nice cover, you got this see-through glass. So this will be the heating element. This will be the indirect side. We're gonna leave the chuck roast on the indirect side with a temperature probe in it, and we're gonna just bring it up to temperature. So we're gonna sear it, use it like an oven, then go inside. We're gonna slice it. Babe's gonna make her French dips. That initial smell just smells so good. It's been 2.5 minutes. Ooh, beautiful. Now you can see I have the two burners on. That's why they're red, because I have them on full max. But I have this side off because, like I said, I'm going to use that side as the oven so you can see that they're blue because they're off. Ooh. All right, the hot side, the indirect side, those burners are off. Our internal is at 68 degrees right now. So I'm just gonna clean this off with a little wire brush. I'm gonna lock her down, treat it like an oven, bring it up to temp. It's 383 inside, the internal's 131. That thing's rad. Babe, with her Babe tongs, her big ingrain cutting board right there. Oh man, that thing smells so good. All right, we gotta pull the probe, and then I guess we'll shut her down right here. I can shut her down. There it is. That thing has to rest. Oh, yes. Well, that shrunk up a lot.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. Beauty's resting. It smells so good. These are Dutch crunch rolls. I never heard of these until we came up to Northern California. I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know. They're really good. What do you got in here, babe?
Some asparagus with all the nutrients sucked out.
What did you season it with?
Salt, pepper, lemon, and butter. And then this is the Johnny's French Dip Concentrate au Juice. So it's 1 part of concentrate to 2 parts of water. And it is fantastic. Thank you. Why are you laughing? It's so good. Sometimes you don't do homemade and you just know what's good.
And you got some provolone cheese.
And then we have provolone cheese.
And you're going to toast that, and we're going to make
deliciousness.
a French dip.
Yeah.
There we go.
So my secret ingredient to French dips is putting a little bit of cream cheese on there. It is so good.
It's that little chuck roast on a gas grill. I'm very, very impressed with the Monument Grills. I'm sorry the shadows are bad, but my goodness, I mean, that's after resting for just merely like 12 minutes. Sliced up thin, absolutely beautiful. For a gas grill, you cannot hate on that. That is rad. That is really, really cool. All right, let's get down to business, babe.
This right here is the secret ingredient that makes every French dip so amazing.
So you got Dutch crunch bread, you got toasted provolone, now you're doing cream cheese.
I learned about it at a restaurant here locally a long time ago, and now that's just the way I like my sandwiches.
Okay.
It's just extra fat.
Yeah, it is. So now you just layer?
Now we're just gonna layer it on.
What do you mean?
Layers of flavor. We're splitting this one.
Yeah.
Because these are honkin'.
Honkin'.
Honkin' big. Okay. Alright, since Josh started it, I'm ending it. Here we go. We're gonna dip it in our dip. Look at that. Try it, guys. It's so good. Delicious flavor. Easy, quick.
Yeah. Not too bad. Not too bad at all.
Not too shabby.
All right. We'll
Thank
see you in
you.
the next one. Bye.